snowing. It's nice. We've got some blue sky that way and no sky that way, and quite a few snow flurries, and we are on a walk to Crackpot Hall, which is just down from Keld. When we got to this corner and the view through that valley, I just couldn't stop myself from taking a shot. Well, we keep getting snow showers, and valley through there, you can't see a thing through it now because of snow. A minute ago the wind was really ripping through and taking wave after wave of snow, which you might be able to see. It's picked up again. Now you might just be able to see it on screen, I don't know, but it's still a wonderful place to be, although my daughter cowering behind the wall, just behind the camera here, may not agree right now. But yeah, it's a wonderful place to be. This valley is stunning. Just glorious. Take a look. Flip you around. See the weather coming in further ahead of us again. Yeah. Snow capped at the top, clear at the bottom. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So we haven't found Crackpot Hall yet, but some other walkers with an OS map, silly if we haven't got one, said it's actually behind us. We passed it, it's on a slightly different path, so we're going to head up for that. But in the meantime, we came across this. I know it's not exposed properly in this video, but wow, got to stop and get some exposures, long exposures of this. So I've got my composition here. We're set up at about F8. I'm going to increase that actually. I'm going to go to F9, maybe even F10, and it's telling me we need a sixth of a second. Let's get our filter holder out, pop that away, pop that on the front, focus just on the tip of the rock, and we're going to turn it to, oh, that sun, just take a shot with it there, because I mean this is only a 13th of a second, so even these initial shots are running very slow. It's a 20th of a second, so we're getting quite a lot of blur. There's a lot of water coming through here, but that sun is glorious. F10 at 30th of a second. It's going to be difficult to control this because of the way the weather's changing so much. Let's get our filter cloth. Right, before we go mad, focus, change that to manual. F10 at 15 there. I know from before F10 at 15 runs me at about, actually I've forgotten. Where's my card? Is my card in my pocket? There it is, there's my card. So 15th of a second, running at a minute with a big stopper. So 60 seconds, there we go, we'll do 60 seconds, and let's set this on a 2-second timer and see what that looks like. And I had to find another composition of this absolutely stunning waterfall. This lovely set of falls at Swinnergill run alongside what used to be a engine house for the local mining operations. But anyway, it's back up the hill for us because we've come past Crackpot Hall, and yeah, it's up there beyond the tree somewhere. So we backtracked a few hundred yards and found another track, and it took us up to Crackpot. And the weather is changing all the time. You can hear the wind on the microphone here, sorry. Just look at that. The wind is so bitter at this point. Next minute, sun. Just going to take a bit of shelter in here. It's bleak. Snow keeps coming and going. It's gone for the minute, but it's, oh crikey, it's windy. And the view. The view's to die for. Let me show you the view. Just flip that. That view is amazing. Bit of a clearing in the weather for a moment, but not long. I'm sure. A few moments ago, the sun was beating down on the hills over there and really igniting the greens. It was fantastic. I haven't shot any stills since I've got here. Just been scouting. Well, try as I might, I'm struggling to get a composition here. I don't know what it is. I think it's the cold certainly setting in. Fingers are getting real hard to operate. Need some warmth in that one that don't bend anymore. And I don't know. I feel like I'm failing completely here. There must be compositions around every corner. The light changes. Oh, so fast, I'm losing my footing. And there's some other people around now. I don't think that's really putting me off. I didn't find much one before they got here. I don't know, it seems daft, doesn't it? I mean, this vista is just stunning. Yeah, I don't know when you're going to see that again. Yeah, just the weather's made this morning beautiful. But I don't know, just struggling. Now, I did get a couple of shots, and I think the building itself, when you certainly close up in detail, really does lend itself more to black and white and mono. And this is an image that I didn't think about so much when I took it, but I think it works better as a mono, so it's reimagined after the fact. But the building in kind of isolation in the valley, I think, is really where the real images are. Certainly for me on that trip, you can see how the sun just changed this image completely. There's a huge bright light coming in, highlighting that grass there, snow in the hills, looking down the valley. It's a gorgeous setting. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment down below. Got a few shots, but nothing I was happy with. I don't feel terribly inspired. It might be the cold, I don't know. I think there's a bit more to be had with it as a subject in its own right. And as we climb up further hill, this is an old lead mine just behind it here. I think perhaps there's something more to be had here. Not sure yet, but we'll find out. And indeed there was, just above Crackpot Hall, a little way up the hill, there's this other abandoned building. And oh, what a stunner that is. It just nestles up there lovely. It's in the right place, it's got the right surroundings. But we're going to leave that for the next video. Thanks for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed this. Please click the like button. If you feel so disposed, buy me a coffee, there's a link below, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.